Infographic: What is the keto diet? Keto diet infographic. In this post you'll better understand what the keto diet is and why it could help you lose weight and improve physical performance. Visit this page if you're interested in learning more about what foods are keto. We've written a guide to getting into ketosis fast, check that out too. Think of your food intake in terms of percentages of calories. Estimations: you will need to get 70% or more of your calories from fat, 20% of calories from protein, and less than 10% of calories from carbs. 1 gram of fat equals 9 calories, 1 gram of protein equals 4 calories, 1 gram of carbohydrates equals 4 calories. The ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet's benefits are not limited to fat loss, though that's one of primary reasons to go keto. When your body goes into ketosis, you'll experience better mental health and physical performance. The ketogenic diet is similar to strict low-carb diets like Atkins, which is ketogenic by accident. However, with keto you must restrict your protein intake and increase your fat intake. What is ketosis? Ketosis is when your body is being fueled mostly by fat, and not carbs, blood sugar. What's happening with your body in ketosis? The body is producing fuel molecules called ketones. Your body is creating an alternate fuel. This fuel is used when blood sugar is in short supply. Your body is using fat to power itself, not carbs. How do you get in ketosis? You'll produce ketones if you are consuming very few carbs. Carbs are just broken down into blood sugar. It's important to note that excess protein is also converted into blood sugar. To get into ketosis, lose weight, improve brain function and improve physical performance, you must significantly reduce your carb intake and strictly control, and in most cases, increase, your fat and protein intake. Report this ad. Negative effects of getting started. If you're not a perfectly clean eater at the moment and jump into a keto diet, you may at first experience some negative effects. Understand that your body is transitioning from using blood sugar to fat, in the way it's powering itself. The negative effects are temporary and include fatigue and nausea. Snack ideas. While in ketosis, when following a ketogenic diet, it is essential that you keep your carbohydrate intake low and your fat intake higher. If you eat too many carbs, you can throw yourself out of ketosis. It is a good idea to have a delicious keto fat bomb shake and some easy keto snacks available in case you are ever short on time and need something to eat. Some common foods that people eat while on a keto diet are seafood, bacon, cheeses, oils, nuts and butter. See an example meal plan if you're interested in seeing a simple keto meal plan example, a day in the life of eating keto. Check this out.